Hi, I'm Jens von Tilburg, living in the United States, and I am one of the characters you will find in the book of Holy Headshot, the book of the undiscovered talent of America, and the discovered. It's me. If you ask me, where could I put somebody like you? I think you could put me closer to Johnny Depp, because Johnny Depp is probably one of my favorites because he has so many faces, and I do too. I see him as a very, very versatile actor. So that's why I don't put me in a box, because I don't like boxes. Pirates of Caribbean. I thought he was funny because it was a parrot, but he could be a little bit gayish, which I love to put in because I like to play with this manhood thing. So when you take this strong, sexual pirate that just come here, and then you put this touch of gay into it, so like, voila. I love that because it gives it another character, so you can't place him. The one moment he kisses a woman and you think, oh, there we go, now he's in a box one. And the next thing you see, he's nearly kissing a boy too, and you think, okay, what's going on? I spend my day mostly in my coffee, sleeping, thinking about life. What I can do the next night. You get your pancakes. I get my blood. Tastes delicious. Do you get attracted? Am I living out some of your fantasies? Are you scared? I'm not. I'm just me. I'm Jens von Tilburg, Boca Raton, Florida, in the book of Holy Headshot.